Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's recipe we're going to do a soup. Now this is quite a popular soup here in Poland. I've seen it eaten all throughout at the end of summer, the beginning of autumn, and this is an absolutely beautiful pumpkin soup with a hint of orange or maybe some herbs. Now I'm going to do something a bit different but keeping to the traditional roots. So what is a butternut squash? Belongs to the squash family and has the texture similar to a pumpkin. Now this vegetable is sweet, nutty and absolutely delicious and has highly nutritional properties. So let's make this soup. So this is a butternut squash. You're going to cut your butternut squash into half, and then you're going to scoop out the seeds using a spoon onto a baking tray with your squash, then season with some salt and some olive oil. Into the oven at 180. Slice your onions, your ginger. Additionally, I'm going to use some lemongrass and some coriander stem, but that's optional. In a pot with some vegetable oil, saute your onions, your ginger, your lemongrass and your coriander stems. Once your squash has been nicely roasted, cut it into half and the skin should come off pretty easily. Now here in Poland, they also make the soup with the skin, but I'm going to choose to take the skin off. Add half of your stock into your pot, and you need to cook down the lemongrass because it takes a long time to cook. Once your lemongrass is nice and soft, it should take you about 45 minutes. So let it gently cook and then add in your roasted squash. Let it cook for another 20 minutes. The longer you cook this soup, the more flavor you will develop. Drop everything into a blender once everything is nice and soft and blend away. Add it back to your pot and gently heat up your soup. Add in some coconut milk. Here in Poland they use cream, but I'm going to keep it vegan and use some coconut milk. Season with some sea salt, some black pepper or white pepper, some nutmeg or cinnamon. Now just drop it into your favorite bowl. Some nice crispy croutons for texture. You could also dip your bread in. Grate some zest of an orange and any kind of garlic or herb oil or just normal olive oil, just for a pretty presentation. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I'm going to go ahead and enjoy my soup. Thank you for watching. Until next time, this is me signing off. Bon appetit.